Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We're seeing another volatile day in the markets, folks, and it's all because of the escalating trade war between the US and China. Bitcoin, altcoins, and the stock market are continuing their downward trend, with Bitcoin dropping to $82,000 and Ethereum below $1,800. The stock market's performance is even worse, with futures tied to the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq 100 indices plunging by over 3%. This means that these blue-chip indices have all moved into a correction. Bitcoin Bulletin has been warning you about this for weeks, folks. The signs were there. The US-China trade war is not just about tariffs, it's about control of the global economy. China announced its retaliatory measures against the US, imposing a 34% tariff on all goods imported from the US and restricting exports of certain rare earth minerals. Now, you might be wondering why this matters to Bitcoin, altcoins, and the stock market. Well, it's simple. When there's uncertainty in the global economy, riskier assets like Bitcoin tend to drop. And that's exactly what's happening here. Polymarket data shows that traders have boosted their recession odds to 56%. Companies like Goldman Sachs and PIMCO have also boosted their recession odds. The fears are real, folks. Investor pessimism intensified after billionaire and former bond king Bill Gross warned against buying the dip. He said investors should not try to catch a falling knife. This is an epic economic and market event similar to 1971 and the end of the gold standard except with immediate negative consequences. The latest non-farm payrolls report didn't help ease tensions either. The data showed that unemployment rose to 4.2% in March, up from 4.1% in February. But what's concerning is that the manufacturing sector created just 1,000 jobs, which Trump aims to protect with his tariff policy. The bond market is also sending a message expectations of lower interest rates are on the rise. The 10-year Treasury yield fell to 3.89%, while the 30-year and 2-year yields declined to 4.38% and 3.5%, respectively. If the Fed cuts rates, it would likely be bullish for Bitcoin, altcoins, and the broader stock market. Bitcoin Bulletin will keep you updated on this developing story as more information becomes available. In the meantime, make sure you're prepared for what's next in the markets. Stay informed, stay vigilant. That's the Bitcoin Bulletin way.